Hi, I am Vtht. My project title is a secure watermark for numerical relational database with detection authentication. My project guide name is Miss B. Gilaveni, MCA. The main aim of this project is to maintain the ownership of relation database and also minimizing distribution in watermark content. Abstract. Watermarking method is to recognizable pattern used to do identify authentication. And recently intelligent mining technique are being used to do data extracted from relational database to detect interesting patterns that provide significant support to decision makers in making effective, accurate and relevant decisions. As a result, sharing of data between owners and legitimate user existing system. A bit resetting algorithm that employs the principle of setting the least significant bit of the candidate attribute of the select subset of tuples. Although LSB based data hiding techniques are efficient, but an attacker is able to easily remove watermark by simple manipulation of data by shifting LSB. Proposed system. The proposed system we implement a new approaches to generate by watermark bits from UTC data time, which is the primary time standard used to synchronize the time all over the world. Modules. Data group partitioning, tuple selection for watermarking, watermark embedding, edge detection, authentication and watermark extract. Data group partition. In this model includes the data partitioning, relational numeric database watermarking. PK is the primary key of the tuples, is cryptographic hash functions message digest is the concatenation K is secret key. Logical group of partitioning has been arrived after applied this algorithm. Tuple selection for watermarking. A tuple is one record or one row in a relation database. Select tuples for encoding and applying the hash value computation. Watermark embedding. The watermark generating function takes date time stamp as an input and then generates watermarking bits v1, v2, vn from this data time stamp. Our technique embeds each bits of the watermark in every select tuples of each partition. Edge detection, authentication and watermark extraction. Edge detection authentication is proposed as an alternative solution to text-based. The main argument here that pass images from the challenge set and then he/she will be authentication user are better than recognizing and memorizing picture. System requirements, software requirements, processor Pentium 3 and above, RAM 512 MB and above, hard disk 40 GB, monitor LED, keyboard 104 key. Hardware requirement, front end J2EE, back end MySQL, server Apache Tomcat 6.0.20, language Java. Overall system architecture diagram. Data group partition, tuple selection, watermark embedding. UTC data time bit generation, data edge detection authentication, data group partitioning, marked tuple identification, watermark extraction, original content. Class diagram, sequence diagram, use case diagram. activity diagram, home page, admin login form, username, password, submit, admin page, fetch record of view record, select one record, group partitioning. This model includes the data partitioning, relational, numeric, database watermarking. The data partitioning comes under watermarking encoding phase, which has been done by owner of the database admin. Threshold has been allocated. Threshold. In this step, a threshold is computed for each attribute if the value of any attribute of a tuple in above its respective computed threshold it is selected for watermarking. Tuple selection for watermarking. A tuple is one recorded or one row in a relational database. In this space, we selected the particular tuples for embedding watermarked content. If the hash value computations is satisfied, select the tuples for watermarking bits from select tuples for encoding process. Convert the binary record. In this step, data timestamp is used to generate watermark bits. User registration. Username, email ID, address, hometown, register your password. Select your image. User registration. Enter login form information. Username, choose user login. Enter login information. Username, choose pause images. Select your image. View encoded record. UTC password put into gather in your original record. Thank you.